Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Now firstly I just want to apologise, it's not a very outdoorsy backdrop, but it's only 10 to 9 in the morning and it's absolutely sweltering outside. It's boiling and it's going to be like this for at least another week. But it's an exciting day because today I'm going to be having a tent box fitted to my Land Rover Defender. Oh yes. I've been wanting one for a while. I was umming and ahhing because they're not cheap and I couldn't quite justify the cost, but they had a special offer on. I got some extras thrown in and I got it interest free for I think 10 months I think it is, so I couldn't turn it down, so I went for it. I went down there a couple of weeks ago, had a look at the different ones. Well, I knew which one I wanted because I'm restricted to the height that I can go on top of the Land Rover due to my carport. So the only one I could go for is the most expensive one, obviously. So that's what I've gone for. I really like it, and today is fitting day. It's about half an hour's drive, so we're going to jump into the Land Rover and we're going to get off to a place called Garstang in Lancashire to get the tent box fitted. Now then, before we set off, I just want to tell you something. This is future me, because I've already got the roof tent and I've already got back, which is why I'm jumping in now, because at the end of the video I'm going to tell you about a little bonus, an unexpected bonus that I acquired whilst having my roof tent fitted. I've just been playing around with it in the back garden. That sounds terrible, and I can't believe it. It's unbelievable. Well, I think it is anyway. So wait till the end of the video and I'll tell you about this completely unexpected bonus. Right, let's get going. It's fully charged, nearly 29 degrees. Minus 2. Minus 3, minus 4. Right. 29. Oh, bloody hell, it's Bluetooth as well. Right. It only bloody works. I'll be cool. Oh my god. That was in the scrap bin. He said I could have it. Says I don't know if it works. I do. It does. It's only flashing like that because of the camera. 29 degrees. Right. I need to Google this. Find the instructions. Happy days. That is cool. Sorry, that was terrible. Right, this fridge has now been powered on for about 15 minutes now. I set it to 4 degrees. And you can see there, it's at 4 degrees. And the power, you can see now it's hit temperature. The compressor is switched off, so it's not drawing any power now. See, you can't hear the fan going, it's stopped. And inside here, which needs a clean. Ooh. I have googled this and it's about £115. Yes, it's got a crack in it, but it's not in this bit, it's just in that bit. I can handle that. I don't mind that at all. It is Bluetooth. I've downloaded the app and I can now view the temperature from the app. It's fully charged, 13 volts. It's down to 3 degrees now. It's even got a Bluetooth USB port. Just needs a bit of a clean. What a result. What a result. Today is my lucky day.